sternum injuries as a result of car accidents in Massachusetts. Hi, I'm attorney Neil Burns, and we get a lot of calls from victims of motor vehicle accidents who have sternum injuries, injuries to their chest, broken bones, fractures, and they frequently come from seat belts or airbags or being thrust forward in a seat. And they're serious injuries, they're very painful injuries, but there's not a lot of treatment for your basic sternum injury. And insurance companies love to point out that, well, he or she didn't get a lot of treatment, so therefore we're not going to pay a lot of money. Couldn't have been that serious. They didn't go to physical therapy, they didn't go to occupational therapy, they didn't see the doctor on a regular basis. But we've found that they're very painful injuries, and I'm going to talk a little bit about one case in particular. A client of ours was coming along Route 2A in Acton, Massachusetts, and she was driving a normal rate of speed in traffic, and a gentleman pulled out right in front of her, and the cars collided, and her car was totaled. I actually have a picture of it right here. This is a picture of her car after this gentleman pulled out in front of her. And what's interesting about this is that the insurance company took the defense of the gentleman who happened to be a professor at MIT, and he wrote up a calculation to prove that he was in the right and she was in the wrong. He was 96 years old driving with his wife. And at the time of the deposition, when I asked him questions about his calculations, he sort of remembered them, he sort of didn't. The bottom line was he made a left turn from a stop sign into our client's path, and she was completely in the right. But the insurance company decided to go with his defense for a while. At some point in time, they realized that a jury was never going to buy this, and the case resolved at arbitration. But think about it for a moment. She was completely in the right. She had a serious injury. She didn't treat a lot, but she did have some permanency to it. But the insurance company just wasn't going to buy it because, number one, they had a client who said that he had a calculation, so they had some defense there. And number two, she didn't treat a lot. There wasn't much she could do to treat. If you've been injured, if you have a sternum injury, a chest injury, or any type of injury from a motor vehicle accident, give us a call. We're tenacious. We're aggressive. We will push that case forward and resolve it for you. It's a free consultation. It's a contingent fee agreement. If you sign up with us, please give us a call. We want to help you. Thank you.